वेलकम टू मैथ सॉल्यूशंस फॉर ऑल। आज हमने MT14 जून 2021 को एक क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्यूशन के साथ बताने जा रहा हूँ। प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। व्हेन एन एरोप्लेन ascends from takeoff to an altitude of 10 km, how much does the gravitational attraction acting on it decrease? Give reason for your answer. You may take the radius of the earth to be 6400 km. Here we first assume Earth is a homogeneous sphere of mass m. Let m be the mass of the aeroplane. Let r0 and r1 be the distances of the airliner from the center of the earth at takeoff. This is the takeoff line and this is our 10 km altitude. So this is the center of the earth, mass m. This is the takeoff. This is the distance from takeoff, r0. And this is the 10 km altitude from the center of the earth. Then given r0 is equal to radius r0. What is r0? R0 is the radius of the earth, 6400 km. And r1, what is r1? R1 is equal to r0 plus 10 km. So 6401 10 km. The ratio of the gravitational force when the distance is r1 to that when it is r0 is gm by r1 square by gm by r0 square. This is the force, gravitational force by Newton's law of gravitation. So equals to r0 by r1 whole square equals to 6400 and 6410 square is equals to, we get this term. Hence the fraction by which gravity is decreased is 1 minus this. 1 is the whole minus this. So 0.00312. The percentage decreases is about 0.00312 by 1000 by 1 lakh by 0.312%. So here give reason for your answer. It means, what it means? One is the gravitational attraction, and now it means as the altitude of the aeroplane increases, the gravitational attraction of the earth on the aeroplane decreases. Thank you.